With a watch face called Glance Pro Duo, I am able to have this watch face, which is my sleeping watch face, as well as this watch face, that is my normal watch face. The sleeping watch face consists out of the following elements. This is my body battery, this is my regeneration time, this is my oxygen saturation, then we have the time, this is my skin temperature, at least what the watch measures. Then we also have my heart rate, and we also have my respiratory rate. Now, what are markers for sleeping? If my skin temperature is above 30 degrees Celsius, then I'm unlikely to sleep. So this switches back to the normal watch face every now and then. Basically, every time the screen would go out. If my resting heart rate is above something like 50, then it also probably is not that easy to sleep. Now, of course, these correspond. Usually this is because I ate late, then my body temperature is above 30 degrees, and also my heart rate is quite high. So this now, of course, is not the resting heart rate, but the actual heart rate. Now, for the purpose of making this video, it would be nicer if this stayed here nonetheless. If my body battery is 5% or something like this, then I'm likely to sleep. But if it is anywhere above this, then it is unlikely to sleep, that I will be beginning to sleep soon. In terms of my oxygen saturation, I don't know anything about this. Of course, the respiratory rate also is probably lower, the less excited my body is, so to speak. And this could also be due to food. And the regeneration time, probably the higher it is, the more likely it also is that I will be sleeping.